All right. So, welcome to Forever Star India, ladies. I hope you guys are doing good, and we are your, jury members and the host for the day. So, we have our director with us, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, and my colleague Shefali Bhargav today. So, let's get started. I hope you guys are excited and nervous because that's the best combination we can possibly have. So, are you all ready? Can you all hear me? Please give me a thumbs up if you can. Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. So the audition process is going to be in two steps. The first step is going to be a ramp walk. So, you have to set your frame in a position where we could see you walking. 2 rounds of ramp walk, and then you sit back and give your introduction. Please keep it very crisp, short, and, mostly about your hobbies and, why you are here and why do you want to win the crown of Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021. So let's get started. All of you will begin with your ramp walk ek saath, and then interaction we'll be taking one-on-one later. Hi Anshu, can we please have your video? Madhushri, we can see you. Please start with the walk. Hi Anshu, welcome to Forever Star India and your audition for the day. So the audition process is going to be in two steps. First, your ramp walk. So you can start with it. Set your frame in a position where we could see you walking. Complete 2 rounds and sit back for your introduction.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am. I just want to know, is that position fine
Yeah, the frame is perfect.
if I stand?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can begin.
Okay, thank you.
अनु, आप भी शुरू कर सकते हैं अपनी रैम्प वॉक के साथ.
Ma'am, can you see me here?
Yes, Anshu, I can see you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Pradeep, you can sit back. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Anshu, go ahead. Your frame is perfect.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, was it all right?
Yeah, you can sit back. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Anu, can you आप प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. आप म्यूट पे हैं.
यस हेलो मैम, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है. रैम्प वॉक के साथ शुरू करें.
यस ओके, अभी मैं 1 मिनट शुरू किए. ओके मैम.
अनु, आपने अपना वीडियो भी ऑफ कर लिया है, सो प्लीज शुरू करने से पहले वीडियो ऑफ कर दीजिएगा.
1 मिनट मैम, ये पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है मैम. ओके
जी, आपका फ्रेम बिल्कुल सही है. आप शुरू कीजिए. Okay, thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much. And let's start with the introduction. We are here to know more about you guys, so please do not be nervous. You can interact with us just like the way you talk to your friends, because I'm sure you all are, passionate, unique individuals. So now I'd request Shafari to take over for the interaction part.
Thank you so much, Elena. Let's start with Pardeep Kaur. Please unmute yourself and start with your introduction.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Good
My name is
evening.
Pardeep Kaur. I reside in Mansa, which is district in Punjab. And in my qualification, I have done BTech, which is in computer. And about my hobbies, I like dancing, reading books, and listening to music too. And one more thing which I do is I like to wear new clothes. Okay, and apart from that, by profession, I'm a teacher. And I don't have any special organization, but I like to help kids who are unable to have education. As I have written in my profile also that my area's literacy rate is just only 58.08%. That is my reason to have take part in this pageant. I was confused earlier, then I want to know about this pageant, and I am really excited now that I could help my area too by having crown in this moment, so that people will know that it is good to educate their girls, their children, they can have shine their area. So this is the best thing I'm doing in my life, and in my achievements I'm hardworking, I would say. And by my hard work I have get 4 to 5 promotions in 3 years. And I'm nature loving person. That's it. Thank you so much.
Congratulations for your promotions, I say. And
Thank you.
every woman loves to wear new clothes. ऐसी कोई नहीं होगी जिसको नहीं पसंद, okay? I
Yeah.
just wanted to ask that why you're here for this platform, what you wanted to gain.
Actually, as I already have discussed, that my area's literacy rate is not as much as if I compare with other districts of Punjab. So this is the first reason that I want to take part, so that people will know that the girls from this area can also do better, can also achieve good things. So, and I believe that through FSIA, it will help me to have complete their dreams of many other women and girls too. So this is the reason I want this crown, and I believe that with all of your help, I can do too.
I wish you good luck for the same. That
Thank
we
you so
all
much.
are here, and FCI is also here for you. Okay.
Thank you so
Keep
much.
smiling. I like your smile.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. I would like Madhushri, please unmute yourself and start with your introduction.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Madhushri Rathi. I'm a housewife, or we can say housemaker, and my hobbies are dancing, and I'm passionate about designing. I'm very creative, and I want to be a present because I want to be an inspiration for the women. That's it.
That's why you're here. You wanted to be an inspiration for all the women over here and everywhere in the world, right?
Yes.
Did you get my voice? Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So why you're nervous? Just don't be nervous. I know it's your first audition. Just keep smiling. And I wanted to know, okay, your hobbies are, in spite of your hobbies, what you wanted to do, what you like.
I want to be a
I
designer.
guess you're a designer, and why you're here for this platform, I guess you must like modeling also. Yeah.
Yes, I think I just want to be an inspiration. That's why I'm here.
Okay. So you will be the inspiration, Madhushri. Thank you so much. I would like Anshu, please unmute yourself.
Hello everyone, myself Anshu Kumari. I am from Patna, Bihar, and currently I am pursuing engineering degree. I am currently in final year, and I like modeling, acting. That's why I enrolled for this fashion show. And my hobbies are dancing, listening music, reading books, and traveling. Thank you.
That's
Okay.
that's interesting, Anshu, that you have this streamline of dancing, traveling, and all of that. So why are you here? What brings you here on this platform? Why do you want to win the crown?
Because it will provide me all these kind of opportunities to explore more in this field, like fashion. Modeling will provide me acting. It will help me in acting also, and I will get opportunity to travel also in so many countries, places, meeting new people. I like that thing. That's why.
Makes absolute sense. So I am assuming you want to become an actor finally. That's the final goal.
Yeah,
The
if it
smile
will
says
happen,
it all.
that would be great.
The smile says it all. So that's perfectly all right, Anshu. And in fact, in the later part of the section where we will be talking about our platform, trust me, we have just the right opportunity for that acting Kira in you. So I'm sure you would love to wait and hear that about. So let me just move forward and let's hear it from Anu. Hi, Anu.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you? Thank you for asking.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I am good.
अपने इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ शुरू करें प्लीज.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, okay. My name is Danu and I am studying in BA second year. अभी मेरा एग्जाम चल रहा है. अभी मैं second year में होने वाली हूँ, just second year. And my hobbies.
अनु, आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं so that it's easier for us to communicate.
Okay. Sure. Now
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Please go ahead.
ओके मैं अभी स्टडी कर रही हूँ मैम, सेकंड ईयर में हूँ मैं अभी, और मुझे अभी जस्ट मेरे एग्जाम चल रहे हैं अभी फर्स्ट ईयर के सेकंड सेम के. एंड माय हॉबीज लाइक एक्टिंग एंड डांसिंग. बहुत शौक है मुझे एक्टिंग और डांसिंग करने का. एंड मैंने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट अपनी टैलेंट को दिखाने के लिए ही किया है. एंड मैम मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मुझे इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है. आई होप सो बेटर देन. एंड मैम बस यही कोशिश है कि मैं हार्ड वर्क करूँ इसके ऊपर. एंड मैम सो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके मेक्स कंप्लीट सेंस. आप इतना घबराइए मत. डोंट वरी, काम डाउन, रिलैक्स. इट्स जस्ट वी आर हियर टू नो मोर अबाउट यू गाइस. आप लोग अपने आप में यूनिक हैं. हाँ जी
मैम फर्स्ट बार ऑडिशन दिया है मैम, फर्स्ट बार इंट्रोडक्शन दे रही हूँ, सो नर्वसनेस होती है.
मैं भी आपसे पहली बार मिल रही हूँ, राइट? सो इट्स अ फर्स्ट थिंग. सो इसको कैजुअल रखते हैं, सिंपल रखते हैं, सॉर्टेड रखते हैं. अभी बहुत आगे जाना है, ये सिर्फ शुरुआत है. सो एंड थैंक यू सो मच अपने बारे में बताने के लिए अनु. मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ. I'll get back to you. Please mute yourself. And let's hear it from Seema. Hi Seema, welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you are doing good. Can I please have your audio? आप म्यूट पे हो सीमा. लेफ्ट पे माइक का आइकॉन होगा नीचे. प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. बॉटम लेफ्ट पे माइक का आइकॉन होगा, स्क्रीन के बिल्कुल लेफ्ट पे. Yeah, now I can hear it. Okay. Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, perfect. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. Thank you for asking. So I would love to, have your introduction. Please keep it very short. Your educational qualifications, your hobbies, and of course, why are you here today on this platform?
Myself, Seema Bundela. I have graduated done by civil engineer. Now I'm preparing for civil service exam, and I like dancing and singing also little bit and acting. So sometimes I like fashion show also.
You like also
fashion?
Okay, interesting. So what brings you here, Seema? Why do you want to win the crown? Why do you get into this field of glamour altogether? आपके इस platform से क्या aspirations हैं?
Ma'am, acting.
You want to become an actor?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So thank you so much, ladies. It was wonderful hearing from each one of you. I am sure अब तक आप लोगों ने एक चीज realize कर ली होगी, that you guys are so different from each other, but still one thing that binds all of you is your dream of becoming, of making an identity for yourself, of creating a very, very unique identity. And trust me, you are on the right platform, because आज आपका audition complete होने के बाद there is so much we have on board for you that, if I start talking about it in proper detail, it will take me a very long time, but we'll try to wrap it up जितना हम detail में बता पाएं. So first of all, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It's an absolute pleasure to have each one of you here today. आज ऑडिशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद विद इन 48 आवर्स आपको एक ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट ईमेल या व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू भेज दी जाएगी, which will ensure a very transparent process, because I'm sure for every input you need an output to understand where you stand to start a journey, right? आज आप सुबह उठे, you were like, आज मेरा audition है, I have to prep myself, build some confidence, because it takes a lot of courage to sit across a digital screen and talk to absolute strangers about yourself. So kudos to you, give yourself a pat on the back, and we are going to move only forward from here. So the audition report will give you a transparent output of where do you stand, what are your weak and high points, and of course once you clear the audition, there is a lot in store for you. You become a participant, a member of our FCR community. Forever Star India is not just a pageant, it's a community that we are trying to build of like-minded women and professionals. And about the platform, who better to talk than our own director, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, the boss lady indeed. So I'd request her to take over and I'd welcome her on board. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sherry, for talking beautifully already about the audition reports and motivating these women to move forward in life. And thank you so much, each one of you, for appearing for today's audition. I totally understand what your aspirations are, and most of you want to get into acting, you want to get into the glamorous field of, say, modeling, and somebody wants to be a designer, an acclaimed one. So yes, all of ours, aspirations are different, but yes, in the end, we're looking for just one thing. We want to make a name for ourselves. We want to mark a name for ourselves. And yes, towards the society, we have a responsibility that each one of us has to fulfill. And trust me, this platform is so apt for each one of you. And when I say that Forever Star India is organizing the biggest beauty pageants of the country, this is not just limited to beauty pageants. We are creating a huge community of like-minded and passionate women like you. Yeah. And regardless of your background, regardless of your city, regardless of the area that you belong to, you will be treated here on this platform equally. Yeah, because as you have listened to each other, you understand how unique you are. And you also understand the more thing that most of you are not from this background. Yeah, you're not from a modeling background, you're not already into ramp walk, because you did the ramp walk, but there's a lot of tweaking that can be done with your ramp walk. Yes, so for that, for making you the best version of yourself, we have 150 plus trainers on board. All right, Seema, could you please stay on mute? Okay. So yeah, when I say that we have 150 plus experts here, which includes image consultants, we have motivational speakers, ramp walk experts, pageant groomers. So all of these trainers together are going to work towards building up your personality. Right now, you are talking about yourself, but there is something that is missing. That self-esteem is missing, that confidence is missing, because when you're extremely passionate about something and you talk about it, it just shows that energy is transferred to the other person who's listening to you. So we are going to generate that energy in you. Those positive vibrations are going to come there. And when I say that as soon as you have completed today's audition, Harry has already told you that you will be receiving your audition reports in the next 24 to 48 hours. So this is the start of something really new. Nobody across the country is going to provide you with the audition reports. Normally क्या होता है मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जब आप किसी beauty pageant में participate करते हैं, so what happens is you just go there, you give your audition, either you're out or you're in. Yeah, so nobody explains it to you, nobody justifies कि सीमा आपका selection किस basis पे हुआ है या अंशु आपका selection किस basis पे हुआ है. But we are doing it here because we want you to improve. We are going to give you a detailed report on what basis have you been selected and what are the attributes that can be improved in your personality, right? So total transparency will be maintained since the very beginning. Once you receive your audition report and you complete your participation process, then you will become eligible for becoming a part of Forever Miss and Mrs. India 2021. As soon as you complete the participation process, we will instantly be starting with your training and grooming sessions. So once or twice a week, you will be attending these training sessions On the basis of your preference, we will be selecting a timing. For example, अगर आप morning time में free होते हैं, तो आपको एक morning batch में place किया जाएगा. Otherwise, you will be given an evening batch. ठीक है? तो आप एक हफ्ते में 2-3 घंटे तो निकाल ही सकते हैं अपनी personality को groom करने के लिए. And then in these 4 to 5 months, you are going to see a new version of yourself. Then the grand finale happens towards the second week of December. यानी कि दिसंबर तक आपके पास अच्छा खासा टाइम है खुद के ऊपर काम करने का. Right? Now, during this whole time, during these 4 to 5 months, हम क्या करेंगे? सारी चीजों को step by step लेंगे. So you do not have to stress about anything. किसी चीज का आपको टेंशन लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. ग्रेजुअली क्या होगा, जैसे जैसे आपकी ट्रेनिंग्स होंगी वैसे वैसे आपके वर्चुअल राउंड्स होंगे. Right? To get a better idea, you must visit our YouTube channel, and we will also share the links for our Facebook, Instagram, and our website. So when you go through all of these social media handles of FCR, you'll get a better idea that what kind of trainers do we have on board and how are we going on with the trainings. Right? So as soon as you appear for these trainings and you appear for your virtual rounds, firstly, we will be selecting a city winner. Then all the city winners are going to appear for a virtual round, and we will be selecting a state winner. So whether you become a winner at city level, you become a winner at state level, and then, at the national level, you will be crowned appropriately during the grand finale of Miss and Mrs. India. Right? तो पहले का process virtual है, लेकिन grand finale is going to be one of the most magnificent events of our country, where all the winners from across the country are going to be there. And imagine, for example, if you are from Jaipur and you become forever Miss India Jaipur. So, you wearing a couture gown and, your makeup is done by an expert, the best experts of our country, and you're walking down the stage, right? So imagine that poise. I mean, today you are somewhere, and after 4 to 5 months, you're going to be here. And when you're walking with that poise, you're looking so graceful, you're looking so beautiful and so confident. So that is going to be an altogether different feeling. And I want each one of you to go through that, because for me, you are winners already. You have presented yourselves beautifully, right? Talking about yourself needs a lot of courage, and you've shown that today, which means you're capable enough. Each one of you is capable of becoming the winner, right? So yes, this is just about forever Miss and Mrs. India. But as soon as you participate, there is a very important thing that you will be receiving here. You will become a lifetime member of our community, right? जैसा कि मैंने initially बोला, ये सिर्फ beauty pageant नहीं है, हम एक community बनाने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें हम एक दूसरे से inspiration लेंगे, एक दूसरे के साथ grow करेंगे, and एक दूसरे को motivate भी करेंगे, right? Because all of you are from different backgrounds. अगर कोई, if somebody is a good speaker, then you are going to inspire the others when you speak beautifully, right? If your rank walk is really good, तो आप दूसरे को inspiration देंगे. तो जो भी आपके professions हैं या आपका जो passion है, अगर आप अपना 100% देते हैं, then this is our responsibility that we give you business opportunities with respect to that. जैसे कि one of the examples is that we are going to launch our own OTT platform towards the end of 2022, right? Amazon, Netflix, Hotstar, ये सबको पता है ना? तो जब हम खुद का OTT platform launch करेंगे, so we won't be going anywhere outside, but we will be looking at our own community members and giving them the first opportunity on the basis of your capabilities. अब आप participate सिर्फ Miss and Mrs. India में कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको opportunities lifetime के लिए मिल रही हैं. So what better than this? Yes. And as we do not have a lot of time, so I cannot highlight all the benefits here. Please go through our website. Please go through all of our social media handles to get more clarity. Even then, if there is anything that you do not understand, please get in touch with our customer support team. Also, there is one more thing that I forgot to mention. This, participation requires you to pay a fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST. Yes, which will make you eligible for participation in Miss and Mrs. India and lifetime membership of Forever Star India community. यानी कि आपकी जो खुद की प्रोफाइल है वो लाइफटाइम के लिए यहाँ पे रहने वाली है. And this is the only fee that you're supposed to pay. After this, there are no hidden charges that you will be required to pay. Yes. So apart from this, if there's anything that you did not understand, anything you would want to know, you can please ask us right here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. I think काफी लोगों के सपनों के जवाब तो आपने दे ही दिए. You know, Anshu, Seema, Anu, who want to become actors, उनके लिए OTT platform से better शुरुआत क्या होगी? Considering OTT has been ruling the entertainment industry since 2 years. You know, digital content is the way to go about it. So it's something that they can really look forward to. And for the designer in Madhushri, we would love to collaborate with you next year as a fashion designer if things go well. So the idea is that we just need your talent. We are just looking for passionate and talented women. आप जिस भी प्रोफाइल में आगे बढ़ना चाहेंगे, we will give you the जरिया जिसे कहते हैं to move forward and make a very very impressionable profile for yourself. So I don't think you guys should wait anymore. Research through the website and YouTube channel, and get going with all the research that you want to do, because I always say you should always research well before you invest into something, because that brings out a lot more confidence. So thank you so much, ladies, for hearing us out and for letting us know all about yourself. I am sure there is so much more that we wish to know, but of course in further rounds we'll be able to see that with your respective talents. So if there is anything, please let us know right away. We'd love to answer that as well. So कुछ भी आप लोगों को confusion है, please go ahead. Okay, I think you guys are sorted as of now. But जैसे कि कीर्ति मैम ने बोला कि in case there is anything, the customer support team is always there to help. Okay. Yes, Pradeep, tell me.
I want to know if I want to take part in modeling. So will that be selected by me after which session?
If you are a part of a pageant, you are by default a model, right? So ये तो है ही, तो ये तो आगे बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा. And of course, modeling के बाद जब आप जीतते हैं तो आपको modeling assignment से मिलेंगे. Pageant winners will always be the first priority to offer a modeling. And for that, we'll have Ramwork experts and image consultants to groom you into the finest way possible.
All right, thank you so much.
So Pardeep, to add to what Harry has already said, कि आपका जो पहला एम होना चाहिए कि आप ऑडिशन जब आपका क्लियर हो जाता है तो आपको सिटी विनर बनने का एम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज एज सून एज यू बिकम अ विनर फ्रॉम योर सिटी, so what happens is कि आप ग्रैंड फिनाले में जब आपकी वहां पे क्राउनिंग होगी, so you will also be going for portfolio shoot. आपका एक शूट होगा वहां पे प्रोफेशनल मेकअप एंड गाउन में, तो वहां पे ही आपको इंस्टेंटली कोलैबोरेशंस मिलेंगे. You get my point? कि आपका एम विनर बनने का है. As soon as you become a winner, opportunities खुद आपके पास चल के आएंगी through this community and through this platform. Yes?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And for that,
thank you.
I have put into the social media details into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot and follow us on all these respective platforms and start creating and building your own image as well on social media, because that is what is going to help you in future as well. So thank you so much, ladies, for hearing us out. It was an absolute pleasure meeting all of you, and we are signing off for the day. So all the best, and we shall see you really, really soon in the training sessions.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye. Have a good evening.